Hello everyone and welcome back to Bonjour, Hello, Hola. Learning French verbs can be tricky, especially the irregular ones. But don't worry, today we're going to look at 8 of the most common irregular verbs in French, how to conjugate them, and how to use them in real sentences. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use these verbs confidently in your own conversations. Our first verb is être, which means to be. This verb is used all the time to describe people, things, feelings, and states of being. It's also used to form the past tense for movement verbs like aller, meaning to go, and venir, which is to come. Stay tuned for our video on forming the past tense coming soon. Let's read these verb forms aloud together. Repeat after me. Je suis. Tu es. Il, elle, on est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils, elles sont. So you'll have sentences like je suis fatigué and nous sommes en retard. Can you conjugate être for the last 2 phrases on the slide? Pause the video to try and feel free to rewind if you need some help. Here are your answers. Vous êtes intelligent, ils sont gentils. Avoir, to have, is another essential verb, used for possessions, age, and many expressions. You'll also use avoir to form the past tense of regular verbs. So you have j'ai, tu as, il, elle, or on a, nous avons, vous avez, and ils ont or elles ont. A couple of examples here for you. J'ai un chat, j'ai 20 ans, and give it a go with those last 2 sentences. Your answers should be tu as 2 chiens and elle a un sandwich. Verb number 3 is aller, to go. You'll use aller all the time to talk about where you're going or what you're about to do. So you'll have je vais, tu vas, il, elle, or on va, nous allons, vous allez, and ils or elles vont. Je vais à l'école and nous allons regarder un film are just 2 examples. Try it yourself with the last 2. If you got it right, you'll have these answers. Elle va au travail and elles vont au café. Faire can mean to do or to make. Je fais. Tu fais. Ils, elles, on fait. Nous faisons. Vous faites. Ils or elles font. You may have noticed that each of the past 4 verbs have the ONT ending for the il or elle plural version. This can help you remember how to conjugate them. Faire is used in sentences like je fais mes devoirs and il fait beau. Can you conjugate faire for the bottom 2 phrases? If you got elle fait des biscuits and nous faisons du sport, you're right. Irregular verb 5 is venir, to come. Use venir to talk about where someone comes from or when they arrive. Je viens. Tu viens. Il, elle, or on vient. Nous venons. Vous venez. Ils, elles viennent. You'll notice that all of the forms except for nous and vous have a stem change, so instead of just going VE, it goes VIE. You will see phrases like je viens du Canada and tu viens avec moi. Fill in the blanks for the bottom 2. Again, you can rewind the video to the last slide if you need some help. Did you get vous venez manger and il vient de l'école? Verb 6 is savoir. Savoir means to know facts or learned abilities, like knowing a language or how to do something. Je sais. Tu sais. Il, elle, or on sait. Nous savons. Vous savez. Ils, elles savent. Je sais parler français is a phrase you'll be able to say truthfully in no time. On sait cuisiner is another example, but can you conjugate savoir correctly for nous and elle? How did you do? Nous savons conduire and elles savent jouer le jeu should be your answers there. Pouvoir means to be able to or can. To conjugate pouvoir in the present tense, you have je peux, tu peux, il, elle, on peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, and ils, elles peuvent. You can use this verb in sentences like je peux venir demain and tu peux m'aider. Conjugate the last two. And you should have gotten je peux aller and il peut jouer avec nous. Finally, our last verb for today, vouloir, to want. Je veux, tu veux, il, elle, on veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils, elles veulent. You'll see this one has a lot of similarities to the one that we just did before, pouvoir. It's important to be able to express what you want, like je veux un café, or nous voulons apprendre le français. Can you say that you want to play soccer and they want to cook in French? You should have vous voulez jouer le soccer and ils veulent cuisiner. These 8 verbs are the foundation of everyday French. Once you know them, you'll be able to express almost anything. Who you are, what you have, where you're going, what you can do, and what you want. To keep practicing, write one short sentence with one of these verbs in the comments. It's a great way to put them to practice and remember them. Stay tuned for more French grammar videos, subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you next time on Bonjour, Hello, Hola.